Good morning, team. Intro Pro Getters. It's Dante with Brightbox Insight, website designer with WIX as a partner. And today I'm going to be going over how to add a page on your website. Let's get started. We're going. Okay, so I have this website template that I got from WIX out of the website template market, and let's get started. So to add a page, you're simply going to go over to this icon here. If you hover over top of it, it says menus and pages. You click it and you scroll down to the bottom and you will click add page. And you will see WIX will bring up a prompt, and it gives you some templates on various types of pages, which you can scroll through and you can preview the templates, look at them, and see if you want to add one of their templates. And yes, the templates are customizable to whatever you need it to be. You can go in and customize it as you do a lot of the items on the WIX pages. So, but we're going to start with a blank one, and then I'll go back and add one of the templates so you can see what it looks like, kind of how to edit it just really fast. So I'm going to add a blank page, and as you see, WIX will give you instantly the ability to name that page. So let's name this page services. My spelling's on. Then once you name it, you click done, and as you see, it shows in the menu, which is here. We just added services. So let's click that menu, fly out again, and let's say we wanted to hide that page because we just want to hide it for right now. And you just click the three dots, which is the sub menu. Sorry, I'll do it again. Sub menu here, and you'll click it's show now, but you would click the hide button, and you will see that on the menu now that page is hidden, so no one would be able to know that it's there. We're going to go back and unhide it, so we're going to click show, and that's it. That's honestly all you have to do to add a page. Now let's say you add a page. We're going to do this again. Add a page. We're going to add a blank page, and you forget to name the page. You actually hit done, or let's say you just antsy, and you click into your website to start building, and you forgot that you didn't name it, and you want to go back to rename the page, or you just want to rename your page because you want to rename it. You click the three dots again, and it will give you the option to rename the page. So let's name this page services 2, just for simplicity's sake. Services 2. Now we rename the page, and let's say we want that to be a sub page under the page that we made earlier. So all we're going to do is hover over top of that page. We are going, well, not the page, the little icon for the page that I'm on right now, and we're going to hold the click down, and we're going to shift it to the right, and you will see that this line pops up to show that it's a sub page, and then you just unclick, and now you see this little faint line. Now it is a drop down under the page that we created earlier, and I'll show you really quick. So we'll click preview services, and now we have services 2 as our drop down. I'm going to go back into the editor, and what I want to do now is, let's say we go back to add page, and like I told you before, we're going to see one of these page templates. Let's just add look at the services, and let's just add this one to make it easy. All right, so we added services, and once again, WIX has given us the ability to rename this if we need to, and we're just going to name this one services 3, and we're going to click done. And look, WIX has automatically made this a sub or drop down page under the primary header page of services, and that's because we were on the services 2 when we went to create a page, so WIX just defaulted and made it a sub. Had we been here under services, it would have been a different story. It would have came out to a regular page. So what we're going to do now is, if you want to edit this page just like any other part of the website, you just click on it, start dragging, or double click to start editing, and so forth and so on. Now let's say you don't want that page, and you made a mistake and you want to delete it. You just click the menu flyout, sub menu, and you go down to delete, and you delete the page, and that's it. And if you want to get it back, all you have to do is click undo, and that's it. You bring your page back. Now, bonus round. So what I'm going to do is go over some of like the basic SEO or page update stuff that you want to, make sure you do after you add your page, and you know that that page is going to be the one that you want. Let's go into the sub menu, and we're going to click on SEO basics. Now, this right here, what is your URL path? That is, when you give someone the website link and they click on the link is what they see. So let's say you rename this page to, let's rename it to, instead of services, we want to put features. Sorry guys, I'm not the greatest speller. So we want to put features. So we change this page to features, and then everything else subsequently we would want to change to features 1, 2, and 3. As you see, Wix has automatically updated the slug or the URL to features, meaning your website name would be here, www.mywebsite.com/features. If you wanted to change it to something unique, you can. It gives you the ability to do so. You can go in here and you can change it to my features. My features. Okay, so, and then you can come here and you can change how it would show. This is like a preview for Google. Oh, it tells you to. You can change this to features, and this is also helping your SEO features. Newest items, or you want it to be featured services, you can change it. And it gives you a preview on how it would look in Google. Now, one of the most important things that I come across a lot of websites that don't actually have this filled out, or when I'm helping clients, is entering the page description. So you want to make sure you go in and enter a page description. So when it shows in Google, it gives visitors, as they're scrolling, the ability to see what that page is all about. And then it also helps your page show in your Google results. So maybe we enter in the latest services for home baking goods. All right, and now that it will show you the preview on how it would show in a Google search result, and that's it. So let search engines index this page. Now that's to allow the page to be considered for Google search results. So maybe you don't want that page for whatever reason to be considered in Google search results. Maybe you're still working on it, but you want your site published, and you would just turn that off, and then the page would not show in the Google search results. Easy day. Social share, you can upload an image, you just click it. So that means when you're sharing it on your cell phone to someone, an image would show. When you share a URL via text, an image shows there. So maybe you want to add an image to show whenever you're sharing this. We're just going to click the first one for simplicity's sake, and that's it. So now when you share this, this is giving you a preview of what that share is going to look like via text message or whatever other service you're using to share. Advanced SEO, I'm not going to get into that, but I just want to keep it basic. That's how you add a page, blank page, or one of the Google template pages. I showed you how to make the page a sub menu as a drop down, or a sub menu as a drop down, and how to delete the page, re-add the page if you deleted it, and how to rename pages. That's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you later.